Have you ever heard someone say something so foolish that your mind just stopped? Everyone nodded, but something inside you whispered, "This isn't wisdom." Wisdom isn't measured by how much you know. It's measured by what you refuse to say. The unwise speak to fill silence. The wise speak to create meaning. Today we break down 7 phrases that expose intellectual carelessness, words that destroy credibility, repel respect, and reveal a careless mind. The first is simple. I know everything. The moment someone claims complete knowledge, they reveal how little they understand. I know how business works. I've figured out relationships. I know exactly what to do. They haven't. Certainty isn't confidence. It's blindness. Real experts ask questions because they've seen enough to know how much is unseen. Socrates said, "I know that I know nothing." Not modesty, wisdom. Say this instead. I have experience here, and I'm still learning. The second phrase, that's just how I am. 5 words that end growth. 5 words that turn flaws into identity. I'm just brutally honest. I have a temper. I'm always late. No, that's not who you are. That's what you've decided to keep. Character isn't found. It's built, one habit at a time. Say instead, I've struggled with this. I'm working to improve. Third, no offense, but if you need a disclaimer, you already know it's offensive. This isn't honesty. It's permission to be cruel. Honesty without compassion isn't wisdom. It's pride wearing a mask. Before you speak, ask 3 questions. Is it true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? If not, stay silent. Fourth, I'm just being honest. The phrase that ruins teams, friendships, and chances. It hides carelessness behind the word truth. Delivery matters as much as accuracy. Time, place, dignity. Better. Can we discuss this privately? I have concerns, let's talk them through. Truth with care builds people. Truth without care breaks them. Fifth, it's not my fault. When nothing is your fault, nothing is in your control. The Stoics divided life in 2. What you control and what you don't. You can't control traffic. You can control leaving earlier. Say this instead. Here's what I could have done differently. That isn't self-blame. That's power. Sixth, I don't care what anyone thinks. People who truly don't care never announce it. This is insecurity performing as strength. Real confidence is quiet. It doesn't post. It doesn't prove. It lives. Listen to people you respect. Ignore the rest. Silently. Your peace speaks louder than your claims. Seventh, I never make mistakes. Or, I was right all along. Refusing to admit error stops learning. Pride becomes a prison. Every mistake contains information, but you can't learn from what you won't admit. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If anyone can prove me wrong, I shall gladly change." Correction isn't weakness. It's the path to wisdom. Say this instead. I was wrong about that. Here's what I learned. All 7 phrases share the same root. Ego protecting itself at the cost of truth. Wisdom begins in the pause. The second before you repeat the pattern. Choose differently. Subscribe for weekly Stoic lessons. Stay silent.